Do you own a home in the Denver metro area, specifically Highlands Ranch, Littleton areas? Or maybe you're planning on buying a home this year. Would you like to save some money? Well, then this message is for you, because as you budget your down payment and closing cost monies, you're going to also need to look at your homeowner's insurance. Here in the Highlands Ranch and Littleton area, homeowners insurance rates are on the rise this year. But thanks to this month's blog that we've put together, I've got some tips that can help you save money and still get good home coverage. You know, according to the latest Market Watch report, based on Quadrant Information Services, the average cost of homeowners insurance in Colorado is now around $3,975, which is higher than the national average of $2,511. And this is up from the average of $1,802 in 2021. This ranks Colorado 6th when it comes to homeowner insurance rates. Why the high costs? Well, in February, Carol Walker, Executive Director of Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association, said there's about 3 reasons for high home insurance rates in Colorado. So climate disasters such as fire and hail, which our arid climate is perfect for, and as of last year, you can add tornadoes to our local climate. The higher costs of goods and services, which if you watched last week's video, you've seen the inflation numbers, which equate to higher costs, and the changes in the reinsurance market, which is insurance for insurers. Also, you can add that since 2020, our homes have really appreciated in value, especially in our suburban communities in Douglas and Jefferson counties, where we've seen double-digit appreciation over the last few years, driven by a lack of inventory and high buyer demand. And your insurance rates will also be based upon your location. To give you an example, some of my girlfriends who back to open space will be paying more for their homeowners insurance this year over the concern that their homes are at higher risk of damage from wildfires than someone in my neighborhood where the properties don't back to open space. All of which means that if your policy is up for renewal this year or you're planning on buying a home this year, you can expect to pay more for your homeowner's insurance. Luckily, there are ways you can cut back on these insurance costs. Hi, I'm Peggy Dursthoff with Live Denver Suburbs, powered by HomeSmart. And today I'm going to share with you 6 strategies from our latest blog to save you money on your homeowner insurance premiums. Let me know which ones you're already doing. Just comment down below. Number 1 is something you probably already do, and that is, of course, shop around. Compare different insurance companies, their coverage, their costs, and check out their response times to make sure that you're satisfied with what they have to offer and what you're going to pay for it. I discovered how quickly my homeowner's insurance responded over Christmas when I discovered a major water leak in my home. I loved their response time and how they helped me in a crazy situation during the holidays. Number 2 is to bundle. Now, I know we've heard about this in the commercials all the time. Adding a vehicle to your homeowner's insurance or bundling different insurance coverages will help lower some of your costs and may ultimately allow you to negotiate a better deal. Number 3 is one I always advise if you're able to do it, and that is to increase your deductible. Increasing your deductible, basically the amount you must pay out of pocket when your insurance kicks in, be able to lower your homeowner's insurance premium each month. Make sure to put that money aside somewhere so that you have it just in case you ever need to file a claim. And number 4 is one you might not be aware of, and that is to avoid making small claims, because that will raise your insurance premiums. And in case you didn't know it, it could also affect your ability to sell your home, because your new home buyer might not be able to get insurance on your home if you made a lot of claims during your home ownership. Any repairs or replacements that are less than your deductible would obviously be an item you would not want to call the insurance company about. But let's say, as an example, that your gutters got broken or damaged in a snowstorm, but everything else is okay. Like your roof is good, nothing else is damaged. Now, you may want to simply call a gutter company and get an estimate on what that would cost to replace or repair. Of course, it depends on the size of your roof, but on average, I'm seeing numbers in the $1,600 range, which, might be something worth paying out of pocket for versus calling the insurance company on, especially if you have a deductible of $1,000 or more. Now, in this month's blog, we actually cover 6 tips to help you reduce your homeowner's insurance premiums. I just reviewed 4 of them, so simply go to the description and you'll find the link to the blog. And this is where you can check out the others and use the blog as a reference point. In the meantime, remember, homeowner's insurance is there to protect your home and your property against something catastrophic, like roof damage due to hail, water damage due to a burst pipe or faulty appliance, or even fire damage. And depending upon where you live, you might even need flood insurance. So go ahead and check out the cost-saving strategies in our latest blog. And if you have any questions or need a connection to a good insurance broker, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to refer you to an insurance broker who can help you shop around for the best rate and coverage for you and your home. If you enjoyed this video and you're thinking about buying or selling your home this year, go ahead and check out this video over here where I discuss what's been going on with the interest rates in our market and what effect they will have on home sellers and buyers in our 2024 spring housing market. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.